AI and Robotics, blurring the lines between man and machine. In the dynamic landscape of technological innovation, the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics is reshaping the very fabric of our existence. This captivating video invites you on an immersive journey into the fascinating realm, where the boundaries between humanity and machines blur, exploring the profound implications and transformative potential of this convergence. At the heart of this revolution lies the symbiotic relationship between human ingenuity and machine intelligence. AI algorithms, inspired by the intricacies of the human brain, possess the remarkable ability to learn, adapt, and evolve through experience. Powered by machine learning and neural networks, these algorithms can process vast amounts of data, discern patterns, and make decisions with astonishing accuracy, mimicking the cognitive processes of the human mind. Complementing the capabilities of AI are robotics, which translates virtual intelligence into tangible action. From industrial robots, streamlining manufacturing processes, to autonomous drones navigating complex environments, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated and versatile. Advancements in materials science, sensor technology, and actuation mechanisms have endowed robots with greater agility, autonomy, and human-like dexterity, blurring the lines between animate and inanimate entities. One of the most intriguing aspects of this convergence is the emergence of cybernetic systems, where humans and machines interface seamlessly. Neural interfaces, such as brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, enable direct communication between the human brain and external devices, empowering individuals with disabilities and revolutionizing the field of assistive technology. Similarly, prosthetics and exoskeletons are augmenting human capabilities, enabling individuals to surpass the limitations of the biological body and embrace a new era of human-machine symbiosis. However, the integration of AI and robotics also raises profound ethical and existential questions. As machines become increasingly autonomous and intelligent, what implications does this have for the future of work, identity, and society at large? Will the rise of automation lead to widespread job displacement, or will it create new opportunities for human creativity and innovation? Moreover, as AI systems gain autonomy, how do we ensure accountability, transparency, and ethical decision-making in their actions? Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI and robotics are vast and far-reaching. From revolutionizing healthcare with personalized medicine and robotic surgery to optimizing transportation systems with autonomous vehicles, AI and robotics hold the promise of enhancing every aspect of our lives. Moreover, by augmenting human capabilities and mitigating risks in hazardous environments, robots have the potential to improve workplace safety, productivity, and quality of life for individuals around the globe. To realize the full potential of AI and robotics while addressing their ethical and societal implications, it is essential to foster interdisciplinary collaboration and ethical governance. By bringing together experts from diverse fields, including technology, ethics, law, and sociology, we can develop robust frameworks and guidelines to ensure that AI and robotics serve the best interests of humanity. This requires a holistic approach that considers not only technical feasibility, but also ethical, social, and cultural dimensions. Furthermore, public awareness and education about AI and robotics are crucial in fostering informed discourse and responsible decision-making. By engaging with stakeholders across academia, industry, government, and civil society, we can cultivate a nuanced understanding of the opportunities and challenges posed by AI and robotics. This includes addressing concerns about job displacement, privacy infringement, and algorithmic bias, while also highlighting the potential benefits of technological innovation for human welfare and progress. Ultimately, the journey towards a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously is as much a social and cultural endeavor as it is a technological one. It requires us to reflect on our values, priorities, and aspirations as a society, and to strive for a future where the benefits of AI and robotics are shared equitably and ethically. Together, let us embark on this transformative journey and shape a future where the boundaries between man and machine blur, not into ambiguity, but into a new era of human flourishing and progress. As technology becomes ever more advanced and smartphone-led interactions dominate our everyday lives, blurring the lines between man and machine, it's important to consider how this might change business. Will recent advancements in AI and generative AI take this hybridization to new levels and offer us new opportunities for understanding customers? What place do humans have in an AI-oriented future? The notion that technology can demonstrate the same level of intelligence and sentience as a human being has been talked about a lot lately, and according to the World Economic Forum's study on the future of jobs, this AI technology is increasingly becoming popular in the workplace. The thought-provoking question now is what place humans have in this AI-oriented future. The human-computer intersection. The shift in the relationship between humans and computers implies an active transition from human-computer interaction to what we can perhaps refer to as human-computer intersection. The Interaction Design Foundation defines human-computer interaction as the design and study of creating processes that seamlessly facilitate the interaction between users and digital artifacts. Human-computer interaction recognizes the separation between humans and computers, with humans interacting with computers as external entities. On the other hand, what we are referring to as the human-computer intersection implies a convergence of humans and computers, blurring the line between humans and machines. The shift from human-computer interaction to human-computer interaction represents an evolution in the relationship between humans and computers. It acknowledges that technology is becoming more integrated into our lives, transforming how we work, communicate, and navigate the world. The focus then moves beyond mere interaction to a point where humans and computers intersect, collaborate, and mutually shape each other's capabilities and experiences. Instantly access and analyze information. This increased integration now allows us to access and analyze information instantly. Humans are interconnected through the internet, readily accessing knowledge and communication networks through wearable devices, smartphones, and other connected technologies. Advanced AI algorithms enable us to process increasing amounts of data, helping us to make informed decisions. We're now harnessing the power of AI to augment our cognitive abilities, becoming superhuman. AI-powered systems assist in tasks like complex data analysis, predictive modeling, and decision-making, giving us almost superhuman computational capabilities. Having instant and continuous access to systems with human-like intelligence will supercharge human ability and allow us to work smarter. An example of this is Neuralink, an implantable brain/computer interface that translates thoughts into action. Neuralink is a literal integration of a technological device with a human being, entirely erasing the blurred line between humans and machines. According to Neuralink's founder, Elon Musk, if humans want to continue to add value to the economy, they must augment their capabilities through a merger of biological and machine intelligence. Musk further contends that if we fail to do this, we'll risk becoming house cats to artificial intelligence. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.